to do my workout that is going to be jam-packed with micronutrients, because today I have with me a special pre-workout from Sekaya, which I will be adding to my shake just before I start doing my morning routine and my exercises here at the beach. Feels just like I'm at Venice, kind of like Gold's Gym Venice. Beach workout for today. So I have my power beats. It's nice to have beats in your workout because it opens up your veins and your muscles, just so that the nitric acid within the beets will help you sustain your workout longer and get more oxygen to your cells. Then I'm gonna be adding the daily greens of Sekaya because it has whole food kale, which is an excellent source of protein. And it also has spinach, which of course we know Popeye eats all the time to get superpowers. Let's see now how the consistency shakes. I love the color. That's how you know you get a lot of antioxidants in it. Nice. It's got sort of a blood red, kind of bubbly feel to it, but since the nitric oxide and the beets are in there, I know I'm gonna get more oxygen into my cells to help me with my workout. That's good. You know, I can really taste the kale and the spinach comes out more when I mix it together with the beets. But at the end, the beets do come out, and I could feel the texture at the back of my tongue, so that's really good. And yeah, the fact that we just mixed this with water, that's excellent. Of course, you could always mix it in your smoothie together with your fruits, bananas. We got strawberries in there, and then you can even add avocado, since that's really good to put in because of the good fat that's in avocado to help you burn that fat within your cells. Okay, let's get started with the beach workout. Check out this sweat. That's how you know I went through a really intense workout. Now, time to repair the muscles. And as most people ask, Cassie, you're vegan? Where do you get your protein? Sekaya now has vegan protein, and it's a mixture of organic pea, quinoa, and brown rice powder. Excellent source for it. Per sachet, it's 250 ml, but since I am going to add maca powder to it, maca root is an excellent source of a recovery superfood as an adaptogen to help your muscles get back into its natural state and become the strongest that it can be. So I love adding maca to whatever protein shake I have, or even in my smoothies. And I usually have it after my workout. Still a workout. At least it's like a cool down session from doing all that movement with the battle ropes. Now it's just lightly shaking and frothing up this vegan protein and maca from Sekaya. I love that they really get the science of what goes into their ingredients. So you get to know how it actually helps your bodies and your cells become stronger, and after a workout, recover better. So the mix is nice and frothy, and it's good because it'll make you feel full for longer because it gets the air in there. But if you don't want to be so gassy with it, then you can let it sip down. I just drink it as is because when you tip into it anyways. Honestly, it smells like any protein powder, whey protein powder that before I was vegan, I did have a sample of, but I never ever drank regularly because I was actually intolerant to cow's milk. That's the thing. 80% of the world's population is intolerant to cow's milk. So dairy, cheeses, milk, butter, we're not supposed to be eating it or consuming it. So even more so, in your post-workout shake or your meal, because it's gonna actually inflame you even more. So you want to take proteins that lower down the inflammation, and you're gonna be able to recover faster. I like it. Has a tinge of sweetness to it, and I think that just comes from like the maca. It's really familiar with me, like the flavor of the maca, and I like it. It has a vanilla flavor that comes from our vegan protein is actually vanilla flavored. So the great thing about this is that you can even use it to flavor, let's say, your nice cream. Banana and this is gonna be an awesome vegan protein ice cream that you can have any time of the day, and you're not gonna feel guilty about it whatsoever. So just to give you guys a rundown of the workout I just did here at the beach, bright and sunny, got all in sweaty. It's battle ropes that give you a low impact, high intensity workout. So it's low impact on your knees, since it's not like jogging or running where it takes a toll on your kneecaps. For your heart and your cardio, it's excellent because it's mostly the arms that are working it up. And yes, you will get shortness of breath, which is a good thing to start, because then you know that your heart is really pumping and working. But of course, if you're just starting out in this workout, make sure to make it progress slowly each day and each week, so that you build up your muscles and build up your strength and resistance to the workout that you're doing. And the thing I love about doing battle ropes is that it's like a full body workout. You're able to work out your glutes, your legs, your ankles, every little minute muscle, even within your toes, are sort of grabbing onto the floor just to keep you stable and steady. So it's good stabilizers. And most importantly, of course, the core. It's such a great core workout to get those washboard abs. Most importantly, it helps keep your balance and keep you up when you do your activities. So such a great core workout that you even get to work out your arms and exercise them as well. So great. Compound movements is exactly what we want to do, and it saves us time, and then we'll get to enjoy the rest of the day.